So on desktop, I have already created a folder by the name My Project. So here I will add a file demo.html, and in that file we are going to take demonstration. Okay. So what is block element and what is inline element? So we have seen different HTML tags. So suppose take an example of H1 tag. So how you will come to know that this particular tag is a block element or whether it is inline element. But before that, you should know what is block element and what is inline element. So let me visualize block element and inline element. So block element, here element means tags. तो ऐसे टैग होते हैं जो आपके वेब पेज का कंप्लीट विड्थ कवर करते हैं. जैसे this is the body of your web page, and if you design this particular web page using tags, there are different tags, we call it elements, HTML elements. So if that particular tag occupies the entire width of this particular page, so such a tag or such a element is called as block element. And what is the inline element? Suppose there is a tag that occupies only that much width of page, which is the width of that particular tag. Such a element is called as inline element. तो अगर आप कोई एक ब्लॉक एलिमेंट लेते हो और उसके नीचे अगर आप कोई एलिमेंट लेते हो तो आउटपुट में आपको वो एक के नीचे एक दिखेंगे, ना कि एक एलिमेंट के आगे दूसरा एलिमेंट. तो ऐसे एलिमेंट्स को हम लोग ब्लॉक एलिमेंट कहते हैं. तो यहां पर देखो H1, इफ यू टेक टू H1, you save this page and if you reload it into the browser, so output will be, okay, let me see. You can see here. So welcome and PHP to H1, you can see that पहले H1 welcome यहाँ पर प्रिंट हुआ है, दूसरा नीचे PHP. तो all heading tags are block element. तो जब भी आप लोग हेडिंग टैग लिखोगे वो कंप्लीट विड्थ पेज का ऑक्युपाई करेगा और एक एलिमेंट के नीचे दूसरा एलिमेंट का आउटपुट आपको वहां पर मिलेगा. Now when we talk about paragraph, now what is paragraph, block element or inline element? So this is paragraph. Take one more paragraph. This is second paragraph. So two paragraph I have